Hello everyone, hi Leo, fire sign. So this is the special bonus reading for you. So messages for 2020 and messages which are coming for you in 2021. Okay. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So first we will see the messages from Moon Oracle deck. Be bold and make the first move. Bring love into the situation. Okay, these are the messages from Moon Oracle deck. So let me explain. So be bold and make the first move. I think you are hesitating to make first move towards your career or in relationship, whatever. Please be bold and make the first move. It is the time for you. And if you are hesitating to make first move, please don't, because it is the time for you. If you want to start at something new in your career wise, it is the time. Okay. So yeah, it is the time for to make a first move and bring love into the situation. Definitely, if you are not spending a time with your family, this is the time to spend with your family and with your loved ones. Yeah, because bring love into the situation. And these two cards are also connected, because if you are loving someone, then make the first move and bring love into the situation. Okay, tell them how you feel about them, and you will and you have to express your feelings to them. Okay, that is the meaning. And be bold and first move and bring love into the situation. Okay, this is the time you have to express your feelings to your person. New moon in Aquarius, cordial moon. So let's see your messages from tarot: present, past, future, and path to the future, and outcome. Leo, fire sign. First we will see your present position and challenge. Your past, recent past, outcome, and path to the future. Oh my god, I want one clarification card for Three of Swords. Yeah, there is separation. Oh Leo, what's going on? I think you have you have so much love for your person, definitely, because King of Cups is here present. Yeah, your love is genuine. Definitely, you are very loyal person. You have strong emotions for your person. There is no doubt. I think there are some communication issues. The challenge is Page of Pentacles. I think there is no constant communication between both of you in relationship. Definitely there is a false communication as miscommunication between both of you. In career wise, definitely there is some issues regarding money. Yeah, you invested your money recent past in something and you are waiting for the result. Okay, because you invested all your money in one business and waiting for the right time and waiting for the result. And you invested in relationship and waiting for the result, but recent past Seven of Swords you came to know about. Seven of Swords is a very sneaky energy. This person is very sneaky, and they are playing games with you. For some it could be third party situation also. Leo, yeah. So I think they may be lied to you, because communication issues, that's the challenge. Yeah, because you invested so much in this connection emotionally. And outcome is King of Wands. So King of Wands means definitely you stand by your power. You are very attractive. That is your card, Leo. Yeah, fire energy. But what I'm seeing here, there is upgrade from King of Cups to King of Wands. Yeah, this time you may be little harsh, because in past you have so many emotions for your person, but this time you want to be stubborn, because due to this person played games with you. And yeah, Future, definitely you have emotions for you, that's why you are feeling like this. You are in so much pain, you are heartbroken, you are feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you guys. Leo, Three of Swords with Five of Cups, literally separation. Let's see more about you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see more about you. Knight of Swords. Clarification card for Knight of Swords. Two of Wands. Yeah, you are thinking about communication, definitely, because I want clarification card here for Knight of Swords, because something is missing, that's why I take clarification card. So Knight of Swords with the Two of Wands, definitely you are thinking about them a lot, and you are very emotional person. And Knight of Swords, yeah, you want communication, you really want to go there, but you are not making any move because you are thinking about them a lot. And this could be long distance relationship also, what I am seeing here. If your person, I think for some you came to know about your person is sneaky and they played games with you, that's why you are not unable to make a move even though you have emotions for your person. Let's see more about the situation. See one star. Okay, you are still hoping for the best. Yeah, under the deck, Six of Wands, definitely you are still hoping and still waiting for the success. I think you are getting success in another area of your life, like career. If you are not happy in relationship, but you will get success in career, you will get recognition because Six of Wands is here. I think you are working hard towards your goals. Definitely will get success, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, also the star. Definitely you are seeing some hope in your life, in another area of your life, like career and finances. Okay, you will get recognition also, Six of Wands, and you will get success. Let's see fears and hopes. Wow, Ace of Cups. See, I think this is the hope, not fear. I think you are investing your energy on yourself. Definitely, this is self-love. It is very good for you, because when you stand by your power, you will attract everything in your life, because you are no more dependent on anyone, either for love or for financial stability. I think for some, a new love is coming in your way. Ace of Cups, someone is approaching. That could be a new person also. Ace of Cups, yeah. It could be for some self-love, for some new person entering in your life. Ace of Cups. But you are loving yourself more than anyone else. Yeah, that is very good, because self-care is not a crime. It is necessary. So let's see the outcome. Final outcome. Knight of Pentacles. I think, yeah, someone is coming back with sincere offer. Knight of Pentacles, some stability is coming. And I think in some stability in your financial issues is coming. I think there is financial stability is coming, and in relationship also some stability is coming with sincere offer. This person is very sincere. I think Ace of Cups with Knight of Pentacles, definitely this person loves you so much and they really mean it, because they want stability with you, and this offer is very stable offer, and this person is very sincere, Leo. I think this could be a new person entering in your life with true love and stable offer. Because your past person may be sneaky, that's why you are undergoing so much pain. But the new person is entering in your life, and this person is very genuine, what I'm getting here from these cards. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.